Good afternoon everyone, it's Georgie here from Blue Anchor Leisure over on the Lincolnshire East Coast. Hope everybody's really good today. I've come to show you around a caravan that's just come in. This one is a bargain, priced at £24,995. We do have finance options available, and we do welcome all part exchanges if you are already an owner looking to upgrade off any park. So this is the Abi Summer Breeze. It has 3 bedrooms and it seats 8 people. Lots of space in the lounge area as you've just seen. And into one of the twin bedrooms. The floor to ceiling wardrobe, mirror and radiator. Double bedroom. Double wardrobe and a mirror again and a little dressing area there. So this one is available to be sited on any of our holiday parks free of charge. We would revamp the slabs and gravel on the chosen pitch. We would also safety test this holiday home, so it would have a 12-month gas and electric test. We also clean it inside and outside. So if you are interested in holiday home ownership, we have over 100 statics on stock. I can help with any one of them. My number is at the bottom of the page. Give me a call if you'd like any more information. And please like and subscribe. Thank you.